Is your Chromecast stuck blinking white and refusing to connect? Don't worry, this is a common issue and we have got quick, effective fixes coming up. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are tackling a frustrating problem: Chromecast blinking white, what it means and how to fix it in minutes. Let's get started. Method 1. Check HDMI and USB ports and power source. When you are blinking white light on Chromecast, check the HDMI and USB ports and the power source. You can unplug the Chromecast and try a different HDMI port if available on your TV or monitor. If Chromecast is powered by your TV or monitor's USB port, try using a wall outlet with a USB power adapter and vice versa. This should ensure that the Chromecast receives full power. Also check that the cables are not damaged. You can power cycle the device and check. Method 2. Check the TV input. Make sure your TV is on the correct HDMI input where Chromecast is connected. Blinking white usually indicates it's ready for setup or can't connect. Method 3. Use Google Home app to set up or reconnect. Download Google Home app on your phone or tablet. Connect your phone to the Wi-Fi you want the Chromecast to use. Open the Google Home app. Then select Devices. Then tap the Add Device button. Then select Google Nest or Partner Device. Choose the home you want the Chromecast added to. Select Next. Make sure to turn on Bluetooth. Next, select Chromecast or Google TV. Then select Next and make sure Chromecast device is plugged in and turned on. The app should search for nearby devices. It should detect your Chromecast device. Tap it when it appears. Follow the on-screen instructions if any. Let the Chromecast connect. Method 4. Check Wi-Fi issues. If setup fails or it can't connect, check Wi-Fi strength near the Chromecast. Restart your router and try again. Ensure your phone and Chromecast are both on the same network. You can also contact your service provider if necessary. Another thing you should avoid is captive portals, for example, hotel Wi-Fi that requires a browser login. Method 5. Check for interference. If you cannot connect to the Wi-Fi, ensure that the Chromecast is not obstructed by any objects. Also, avoid placing the Chromecast behind the TV or near any other electronic devices that may cause interference. You can use the HDMI extender that comes with some Chromecast models to move the device a bit further away from the TV or other electronic devices. Make sure you keep the Chromecast away from any electronic or wireless devices. If possible, position your Wi-Fi router closer to the Chromecast for good signal strength. Method 6. Use an Ethernet adapter. The next thing you can do is connect your Chromecast to your router using an Ethernet adapter. Using an Ethernet adapter can provide a more stable and reliable connection compared to Wi-Fi, especially in areas with weak or unstable wireless signals. Method 7. Factory reset. If none of the above steps work, you can try factory resetting your Chromecast, but this will require you to set it up again, says Google Help. A factory reset can resolve persistent errors by returning the device to default settings. Hold the physical reset button until the light changes from blinking amber to solid white, then release to begin the reset. If the issue persists after performing all the steps, you can contact Google support and follow the instructions provided by the experts to fix the issue. And that's how you fix your Chromecast when it's blinking white and not responding. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe and turn on the bell for more tech tutorials. Have a tip that worked for you? Drop it in the comments to help others in the community. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one on Silicophilic.